You get closer, as you get more serious with your preparation, I want to give you the timetable that JAMB just released for this year's JAMB exam. It's very crucial that you pay attention, right? It's very crucial that you pay attention. Now look at this. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board JAMB has structured the 2025 UTME to run from April 25th to May 5th, right? So you have like 10 days to write the exam with 4 batches per day. So there will be 4 batches of the exam per day. Each candidate will be assigned a specific day and batch. So you will know a specific day and badge for your own specific exam, which will be stated on the JAMB examination slip. Have you printed your JAMB exam slip? If you don't know how to go about printing your exam slip, inside your JAMB exam slip, you will know your dates assigned to you. You will know the CBT center assigned to you, and you will also know your time assigned to you. I want you to pay attention, because the things I will share with you in this video are very critical, right? I can even give you free past question and free syllabus in this video, but you just need to give me your attention, avoid any distraction. Now, I said below is a daily breakdown of the 2025 UTME schedule. There is a way it has been scheduled, and I'll give it to you quickly. Friday, the exam will start on Friday, 5th April. I need you to pay attention. Batch 1 will start from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. 7, 8, 9. I told you the exam will happen within 120 minutes, 2 hours. So once it's 7 a.m., the computer is structured to be on by 7 a.m. and it begins to read. You cannot stop the time. Once it's 7 a.m., the time begins to reduce, and once it's 9 o'clock, it will shut down. Do you understand? So arrive at the center. Candidates instruction: arrive at the center by 6 a.m. for biometric verification. When you arrive, they will take your thumb printing, they will take your verification. Late arrival may result in disqualification. Last year, a lot of persons came late. You will see people coming 30 minutes after the exam ought to have started. If you have an exam by 7 and you come by 6:30, you might be late, because there will be a crowd of persons wanting to do their thumb printing and your verification. I am telling you ahead of time so that you don't come back here to cry. Remember, in our channel, and I want you to take every word I say seriously. I want you to claim it. In our channel, our goal is for you to score 300 and above. 300 and above. Our goal is for you you will not just write the JAMB. No, you will write the JAMB, but you will score high. You will score 300 and above. You will not score less than 300. You will enter school this year. You will write your exam and enter school by merit, not by any mago method. Right? So I need you to play your own part. Why I play my own part? My own part is to keep preparing you and giving you accurate, verified information. Right? But your own part is that you have to take it serious. I want you to claim it in the comment section that you will enter school this year, that you will enter school by merit, and that you will score 300 and above. Others may score 130, 170, but that is not your portion. Your portion is you are a high flyer. You are a member of this channel. All viewers of Noble Tutorials must score 300 and above. You will be proud of your result when your result comes out. Okay, so the second batch, on that phase, they will start by 9 a.m. There is no gap. Once this first batch is finishing, the next batch is entering 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Candidates must be seated 30 minutes before the exam starts. The third batch will be 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. 2 hours. Ensure all required documents. You must come there with your JAMB slip and your valid ID are ready before arrival. Then the final batch will be 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Final session of the day. Late arrival will not be allowed into the hall. I hope you understand the gist. On Saturday, it will be, of course, it's the same thing. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Then arrive 1 hour. Note it and make preparation. Try to always arrive 1 hour before the commencement of your exam. Try to arrive 1 hour before the commencement of your exam. Of course, you already know you may not be living close, so if you are traveling, you could find somewhere close, maybe a hostel close, or just a relative living closer. Find a way to get closer to the exam hall. Ensure that you are there at least 1 hour before your own time, and come with this material, your JAMB slip, your valid ID. Be punctual, come early. You must also check your seat number and location before entry. I'm telling you this so that you get yourself prepared. Sunday, there will also be an exam on Sunday. Candidates should verify the exam schedule ahead of time. Strict rules apply. Malpractice leads to automatic disqualification. I've told you, anybody promising you that they will tell you the answer is a scammer. Anybody promising you that if you score 130, they can use their connection and make your score to be 280 or 300. The person is a scammer. This is because JAMB questions are in types. There is type A, type B, type C, right? Type A, type B, type C. Do you understand? So there are different methods. So you can be writing type A, use of English. The person nearest to you could be writing the same use of English, but type B. So you cannot copy from anybody. There is no room for malpractice. Malpractice, okay, candidates should bring 2 printed copies of the exam slip. Of course, you're expected to have told you about that. No loitering around the center before and after the exam. Come there, write your exam, and walk out of the gate. There's no room for writing. Monday, 28, there will also be exam from 7 a.m. to 2 hours, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., 12 a.m. to 2 p.m., 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Arrive 1 hour to avoid last-minute rush. Bring your JAMB approved material for this exam. Bring only JAMB. No telephone is permitted. Candidates must log into the CBT system only when instructed. Any form of exam malpractice is prohibited. JAMB doesn't look at your face. Okay? On April 29th, 29 April, okay, confirm your 7 a.m. You already know 2 hours. Your own could be 7 a.m. Your own could be 9 a.m. Your own could be 12 p.m. Your own could be 3 p.m. Now, remember, the important thing now is preparation. The important thing as I'm making this video is getting you 100% prepared. And how do we do that? You need to get your JAMB syllabus, you need to get your JAMB past question, and begin to read as if your life and your success depends on it. Right? I am giving you these tips, but I cannot be there with you in the exam hall. I mean, I'm in Enugu. I cannot be in Kaduna. I cannot be in the north, in the south, and in Lagos at the same time. I can only use this platform to inspire you, to give you the tips you need. Okay? But you must do your own part. Now, I encourage you. Get JAMB syllabus and get JAMB past question, and I can give them to you. If you need me to give you the JAMB syllabus and the JAMB past question, I will give them to you at the end of this video. JAMB syllabus, JAMB past question, you need them now. You don't just read randomly. Of course, I've also done a lot of videos. I've made your work easier because in our channel, let's take Lekki Headmaster for an instance. I've done more than 40 videos on Lekki Headmaster. I read the book chapter by chapter for you, and I started bringing out questions that will come out from Lekki Headmaster. From chapter 1, questions to expect from chapter 1, questions to expect from chapter. I've done all those things for you. Your own is to sit back and watch. Even if you have read the book, go through the videos I've done. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos I've done on Lekki Headmaster free of charge, the JAMB novel, if you need it, just tell me, sir, give me the link to all the videos you have done on Lekki Headmaster, and I could give them to you. Okay, if you need me to give you the link to all the videos I've done on use of English, past questions, expo questions, expected questions, answers, tricks, methods you can use to pass your use of English, which will come with 60 questions. 60 questions. Use of English has the highest number of questions. 60 questions. If you need me to give you access to all the videos I've done on Use of English, just type sir, give me all the videos, the link to all the videos on on Use of English. If you also need it on economics, on biology, just mention the subject and tell me to please give you the link to all the videos I've done on that subject, and I could give it to you. Do you understand? It is for you to prepare. There will also be exam on Thursday, May 1st. It's the same thing, right? Candidates must enter the hall only when permitted. No bathroom breaks are allowed during the exam section. You cannot be writing the exam JAMB and say, excuse me, auntie, I want to go and urinate. It's not permitted because the system is timed. Stay alert and focus throughout the test. Follow the exam supervisor's instruction carefully. There is no magomok. Ensure all necessary documents are intact before arrival. Phones and smartwatches are not allowed. If you want me to send you this material I'm reading from so that you can pay closer attention to it, also let me know in the comment section. Keep calm and manage your time wisely during the exam. Once you enter on the system, the time starts to count. So you need to be calm and manage your time wisely. Okay, I've said report early, avoid, this is very important. Review all answers carefully before you submit. Ensure you have eaten and are well rested before the exam. So some people will not read until that morning of the exam. There is nothing like that. That is why you in this channel, you keep reading, get the past questions that I will give you, get the materials, watch the videos I've done over and over again, read your book on your own too. Prepare, get yourself ready, pray, prepare, get yourself ready. Remember, in this channel, no going back, no 130, no scoring 120. We are focused on 300 and above. We are focused on you entering school this year. Nothing will stop you based on merit. And I want you to type I claim it in the comment section. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. Now, ensure your fingerprint matches the biometric record. Ensure your fingerprint matches the biometric record. Candidates must leave the center immediately after the exam. Confirm your seat number before entering. Follow all final day guidelines to avoid disqualification. Like I said, JAMB is a serious subject. A serious exam that really doesn't have time to look at your face. If you need the past questions, let me know. You need the JAMB syllabus, let me know. You need me to give you access to all the other videos we've done. Just mention the subject and it could be yours. The trick for you, if you need these things, there are 4 things you must do. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1 is to join our YouTube channel. Go ahead. You have spent money registering JAMB. You have spent money maybe in a lesson center, lesson tutor, and all the rest. So go ahead and join our YouTube channel. Stop dodging. Some of you are dodging. Join now to become a full member. When you become a full member, you can talk to me, you can talk to our team. We will be there with you, we'll be guiding you until you write and pass. Number 2, like this video. Don't fail, just boop the like button. Number 3 is share this video. Very important, very, very crucial. Share this video, click the share button, share it here on YouTube, then click the share button again, copy the link, share that link on WhatsApp group, WhatsApp status, share it on Facebook groups, Facebook status, share it on Twitter, on Instagram, share it on all across every platform you know. Share the link to your classmates, to your friends writing JAMB. Every WhatsApp group you belong to for JAMB candidate, give them, JAMB and WAEC candidates, give them this link. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Once you subscribe, come under this video comment and type, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Remember, number 1 is compulsory. Join our YouTube channel to become a member. Once you join, like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, then come under this video and type, I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send to you all the necessary videos you need right now. There is an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it and watch immediately.